I'm told Kwame has money. I'm not here because of his money. Get that very clear. I'm here because I want a better Ghana after me. If the Electoral Commission put obstacles in the way of Kwame, the youth of this country should wake up and act. You don't know much about history. I've been involved in all the, I'm not involved. I've been around with all the schools and Nkrumah schools and Rolling schools. I have principles in life. Here's a man. I'm not here because I want anything from Kwame. Because I'm worried about when I go, what Ghana am I leaving behind? Wow. And I saw, like in a dream, a savior. Like Nkrumah did. I was a young man, 10, 11 years when Nkrumah came. And Kwame reminds me of Nkrumah's coming. And while Nkrumah mobilized the youth.
Oh, Papa me say, Oshe Ghana baby kona. She debia me say, every season demand another person. And now every season demands a specific person. Season be wonma, see a day obi a sabe, ne kasa wo fam neba. Ghana baby ye jinai, any baby ye dui. Yenya sabe obi a oye okukudufo yenya obi o vision yenya obi o builder yenya obi o selfless nyama for the maka yenya de we Ghana is doomed. Say 17 am de betu okwa Ghana me de beye oba no obe breaking the protocols. Yesu Kristo oba no oye selfless and no to me je me ne wo oye selfish and konya sabe onye boni bi atago oba be right the same way nana Kwame Bediako oni sikadi o oni bi di e ko no ko yefuna ankonya me ne. But I say, youth know, especially me know, bra ye bre, any sabe, any daswasa, one step in. Now one ma, no one me say one ye bibia.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Mama kwa baba Xposed but you from Ben Bros. Subscribe mame and the tumpa na on saka. It's still Charles time. Na press conference be yeah na on in obi a papa bi a yenim no or a brigadier at that time. No odina chi say he believes in the dream of a child man. And yes some young people pen on believe in their dream and older people because you share Ghana baby a yedu na. Yeah, se chada mema asemeba. So he's calling me and you to rally around Chada and make sure he becomes the president.
Lies to the people just because we've been paid to tell lies. Let's ask some sensible questions to our leaders so we can find out why they should be accountable and why they should be responsible. Let's not cover their wrongdoings and try to pull anything else that will come out from any angle. So please, the national media and all the entities, all the people, the workers, the owners, bring your head together. There's a revolution going on around the world. And it's not just Ghana. It's everywhere in the world. And remember, you pay a price for the life you live and the thoughts you breathe. Thank you.
May I add one word, one or two words to what Kwame has said. If the Electoral Commission put obstacles in the way of Kwame, the question was, how would he react? The reason why I'm with Kwame is this, that I'm told Kwame has money. I'm not here because of his money. Get that very clear. I'm here because I want a better Ghana after me. If the Electoral Commission put obstacles in the way of Kwame, the youth of this country should wake up and act. Because here's a man who is going to save them, and they are putting obstacles in his way. He doesn't care. Kwame can go to Europe if he wants to. But you, don't ask how would he react. Okay, sit down, open your mouth and watch him to act. Don't be silly, come on. You should act. You don't know much about history. I've been involved in all the, I'm not involved. I've been around with all the schools and Nkrumah schools and Rolling schools. I fought Rolling several times. We came together. I have principles in life. Here's a man. I'm not here because I want anything from Kwame. Because I'm worried about when I go, what Ghana am I leaving behind? Wow. And I saw, like in a dream, a savior. Like Nkrumah did. I was a young man. 10, 11 years when Nkrumah came. And Kwame reminds me of Nkrumah's coming, and while Nkrumah mobilized the youth the unemployed, the fishermen. You know, there was only Tesla Hayford who was an educated lawyer. They were all ordinary people. Kofi Bako's father, Net Welbeck, Nkrumah, Mumuni Baumia's father. I knew all of them. But they didn't come. Nkrumah was a leader that needed to be followed. So please, if the electoral commission, I'll talk to them. If they don't wake up and do anything stupid, they will soon get into a civil war. Because the youth will be angry. I don't want this here, like in Kenya or anywhere else. I don't want it, or Sudan. Let's have a plain, level field and let the people make a choice. But don't put obstacles in anybody's way to stop him or her from standing. Or if you did that, don't blame me. You young people too. You will come to my grave and pour libation and said, General, you warned us, we didn't listen to you. May God rest you peacefully. Amen. I'm not joking. I'm serious. I'm not sitting here. My wife isn't well. I shouldn't be here. And I had to leave her and come. Because Ghana first, before even my wife. Yes. So,
that's a headline.
Those of you who are being given money to shut up, for Christ's sake, think of yourself, not even yourself, your children, your grandchildren. What kind of Ghana you are leaving behind for them to inherit? Kwame should go and fight. You should fight for him. Well, he's coming to fight for us. God bless you.
Thank you.
Oh, Papa ne say, "Ohwe Ghana baby e kona." Hwe, debia me say, every season demand another person, and every season demands a specific person. Season bi wo honma e see a de obi a sabe ne kasa wo fam na eba. Ghana baby a ye gina yi, ani baby a ye dui. Ye nya sabe obi a oye okukudufo. Ye nya obi o vision. Ye nya obi o builder. Ye nya obi o selfless. Nyama for na maka. Ye nya de we Ghana is doomed. Na ma church room. Meka se obi ye kukudu ni a wono chada o kukudu ni asema wo de 10 years back and or the one day kind of simple. And asebi oka na adwe no mekan is beyond his years. Because o hwe akokwa any sema fi ye wura na Kwame Bediako anu mu ba o say bra nyame ahira no. He knows where he's going. Number 2, he's a visionary because I say baby Ghana wono enyo. I say baby Ghana wono atete. Baby Ghana wono me kasa me man na me ferre. Because me tutu kwan me hu niam nkofo ye me hu say baby Ghana wono e bomb. Yes anim. The third one I want you to know is that he's a builder. He can be builder. Or you'll be a sabi onim send ye fitting your myself from beginning. Because all riding on ni papa glory, ni NKB glory, all riding on his own glory. Aye, because who's a man na omoka and MPP buyer and this buyer na we buy or say chada when na maye mo hwe sunamo to aba ne mame. Or your self motivator. It means on what mission won't cry. No, who said this is what I need to do. To what? To bring what? My vision into a fruition. Now when you be a sabi, or to me from background, no to me see a daya. That is a builder. Ghana, we need a builder. Eaters, they chop the money. But we need somebody to build Ghana. Because Ghana, I see a sea and every roofing level. I'm a born chance and it's no mercy than a year. No more discount. It's a roofing level na kind a cat. Because only maybe so will be your friend builder. He's looking for a say, and then you may near sin what I say, I did it. But who be on thinking about his party, his cronies, say the so-called political class. What they are thinking is me ba a bed then a metimia microphone on one tomo and ya Ghana. 80 build an Americano or you'll be on him say Ghana baby edu ceiling. I said me to in Yeguso, me to chance in Guso, now me plaster. That is what we need. It's in America say, what to Abanimo be I no know. The last one is that he's selfless. And then the selflessness. I say, 17 am the bet to work Ghana me the beye. Obano, or be breaking the protocols. Yes, you Christ obey no or you selfless. And you know to me, Jamie, no. Or you selfish and go yet. Sabi on your body be antago right. The same way, Nana Kwame Bediako, all this can you. Or when the BD. E kono kwa yafuna anko yame ne. But I say, or share youth know especially me ne. Or share bra ye bre and sabi and that's what sa one step in. Now one ma no me say one ye bibia. Ah, ebebo. Because I share say near Marco, no share sika yes say no improvement asemeba. Enti I say enye me sika medio e yes near ye nyine be kwani. No we no. I say release another video. Men kan wasem yen hwehwemra.
Wisdom is talking.
We just omunyina na odo magu wiase ba kum na omutwa wo si sa na ojeje no ma bibire bubom. A man be the richest man in the world. Nti me my imagine say nyame yamadom no the man shaminsa galamze for Kwame pamo me from say mumbra because ade omoye no omunimye eye legal no omunimye ti me from say munyina mumbra so mu ye 80,000 me don bebom me maka kiro mu say ade we yemma en poison so we bi ese say a planter ebe recycle sadi way e dey bibi fufuru ba mu 80,000 e man ni betua mo ka sika mo pa bia na mu ya hwehwe 200 tons in 2 years to be decide ni pa 80,000 we di 200 tons a Kwame asema me ka cho me pese hu adwuna da mitim ni sense am ye yes mutimi ma me sa 200 tons we ya memma wo bia e bia 10 billion Ghana old Ghana and as bema ubia $500,000. That is your bonus. You regulate them. Men make TM say TM assembly. Say sikano with bema say mutimi munya mu dimura jogo na modia. Sa 200 tons no the mania. The value is about 120 billion. But you bet me borrow 300 billion for the first time in our history. You bet me kwakwantia kase okay you will go do and then your reserves. You bet me my 300 billion. If I go to this mamo, who be money be shakeke. Na I will reserve. I'm not in Queen Elizabeth here. I'm not in America for you. I have reserves. And you know, mo pound and conform. Queen Elizabeth reserves is over 378 billion. Exure safe. And if I crack or share, am I in the set top? Just some conform you. We are saying, I'm going to share. Me will go to number 55.
This is wisdom talking. This is vision talking. This is Nyansa at the highest level. Galamsey has been a trouble, bane of our trouble in Ghana. Say Obia Galamsey. But you know what? Sometimes the approach to a problem is not be offensive. Sometimes you go around a problem to solve the problem. First of all, I say first of all, China for normal machines because Galamsey has always been with us. So first of all, I need to stop the Chinese. How do I stop them? Any violence? Chinese nationals and my catch all Nkrumah say, Massa, or Massa is you. It's until nobody see come back. Not some yes, so you on my year do manoma cleanse you know. Also, we are name my move one on himself common and demontina Maya Galamsey. It wouldn't your bear or Begadama because Munima Dumane. Fine. Okay, Megadama. Okay, now let's streamline idea way. Yes, Sunale is saying there are places that we can mine safely. Here, me will video be what approach me need here. But Oko US are people mine across the rivers without polluting it. And your technology. So instead of yen kasa bebeba sabe ensino, adentina yen kosuya the new technology. Na yen gadan konform way into what we call a force. Na yen momunye juma so that they can get something and then the government to can tax them. Because see at the end of the year, billions of dollars are going out of government coffers. Nobody can tax them because who found to be more money? And yes, tax you be what have you given to the person to tax the person? At the end of the money. to tax me. Answer them mean to taxing. That means you've given me something. And you also know Obegadomo. Now what trouble? The same ways to do galamsey. And yes, sir, you'll be Obeka me ba me the Omo Machimutun maybe more lawlessness. And you'll be so Obeka or Kofaso Munya, yes, stop him, my Yabelu Swabano. That is not the way. You are again, ye bibia, you run and Kwame Bediako, watch it again. It's a government. When we went to gather the people. Moka be community mining, but no footstone soldiers. It's time to act. The kingpins of Ghana will any momo. And Yamina you stop them and then gather the boys and tell them, okay, you want to mine, fine. I'll give you the machines to mine. But aha, won't me kwa, aha, won't me kwa. And as simple as ABC. Where you answer. It's a me for and then I'm say a call to new force, meaning America. Sabi, on your young and vibrant only, but or you're very intelligent. Coming home, December 7th, near to Abano, number 12, near from my new force. I expose GHF members, but I also subscribe by me. And the 2 pair now, I can be Manuesi.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.